We can show you the world
of math,
full of numbers and functions. Tell me, freshman, now when did you last give your brain a test? I can open your eyes, take you inverse by inverse, over, sideways, and under as your magic function guide. Oh, a new fantastic set of rules, handstands and asymptotes, some soup for you, but don't forget to label graphs.
A trying class I'm glad I took. My self-esteem's long gone, but still I feel that now I'm in a whole new world of math. After every equation, ace of base logarithms, solving, graphing, transforming through an endless freshman year.
Don't you dare fall asleep.
100,000 things to learn. I'm like an asymptote. I'm limitless. I can't go back to basic algebra.
OAAF with new solutions to pursue. I'll chase them anywhere. There's time to spare. Let me share this whole new world of math. OAAF, that's where you'll start.
That's where we'll start.
A thrilling class.
I hope I'll pass until next year.
Think you've learned so much already, and you've graphed so many functions, I guess it must be so. But still you must agree that there's so much still to see. How can there be so much that you don't know? You don't know.
You think that you can handle all equations. Exponential decay is where it ends. But I know every sine and cosine function has a graph, has an angle, has a length.
You think that math can only be Cartesian, but did you know that we have polar too? And if you pay attention to statistics, you'll learn things you never knew. Have you ever graphed the curved path of a Lima song? Or asked the spinning polar why it spins? Can you master all the forms of all equations? Can you master all the units of pre-calc? Can you master all the units of pre-calc?
Come learn about the normal distribution. Come understand harmonic P series. Come find the mean and standard deviation. And for once, never wonder how it's graphed.
We have so much mathematics to discover. Dot products and projections are your friends. These concepts are all connected to each other in a sequence, in a series that never ends. Where will the asymptote go? Without the limit, you will never know. And You'll never graph the curve path of a Lima's son. For weather calculators can be used. We need to master all the forms of all equations. We need to master all the units of pre-calc. You can do the work and still you'll just be confused until you can master all the units of pre-calc. Let's get down to business.
To compute some sums. Did you think it's easy to differentiate? It's the hardest class you've taken yet, but you bet before we're through, Mr. I'll get a 5 out of you.
If you don't do chain rule, you will fail this class. Once you conquer series, you are sure to pass. You're all brainless kids who can't factor, and you haven't got a clue. Somehow I'll get a 5 out of you.
I'm never gonna catch my breath.
Say goodbye to those who taught me.
Boy, was I a fool in school for cutting calc.
L'Hopital's gonna be scared to death.
But the curve isn't bad this year. I really wish that I knew Riemann law.
Get a 5. We must arrive without calculator.
Get a 5.
With all the speed of Wolfram.
Get a 5.
With all the skill of a math Olympian. Mysterious as Lagrangian error. Time is racing toward us till exams arrive. Do your AP packets and you might survive. Calc's unsuited for unlearned sophomore, so drop out, go home, you're through. How could I get a 5 out of you?
Get a 5.
Must arrive without calculator.
Get a 5.
With all the speed of Wolfram.
Get a 5.
With all the skill of a math Olympian. Mysterious as Lagrangian error.
Get a 5.
Must arrive without calculators.
Get a 5.
With all the speed of Wolfram Alpha.
Get a 5.
With all the skill of a math Olympian. Mysterious as Lagrangian error.
The scores look bad from the IAs this year, not a 7 to be seen. A classroom of absenteeism, and it looks like Willie 3. My grade is dropping like the Linnell kids this year. Couldn't come to class, Davis knows I've tried. What is coprime? What is mod 3? Get the homework you always must copy. Conceal, don't feel, Don't let them know. Well, now they know.
Let it go, let it go. Can't study it anymore. Let it go, let it go. Take a nail and get a four. I don't care about graph theory. How do you integrate? My score never bothered me anyway.
It's funny how some vectors make everything seem hard. Follow through is a blessing. Have mercy, IBO. It's time to see what I can't do to mess up limits and stat 2. No right, no wrong, no marks for me. I'm free.
Let it go, let it go. I'm okay with a B or C. Let it go, let it go. You're going to see me cry. Here I sit, and here I'll write. How do you I need a curve up on the test so I can pass. I hope that Hamilton walks can be marked as cast. But my math IA is a train wreck beyond repair. My math knowledge is gone, it's vanished in thin air. Let it go, let it go.
I'll sleep like the dead of night. Let it go, let it go. That 4.0 is gone.
Here I'll sit behind this gate. How do you integrate?
My score never bothered me anyways.
So what I believe you were trying to say is thank you.
Thank you?
You're welcome.
What? No. I didn't. I wasn't. Why would I ever say
Okay,
that? I mean,
okay. I see what's happening, yeah. You're face to face with greatness and it's strange. You don't even know how you feel. It's adorable. Well, it's nice to see that humans never change. Open your eyes, let's begin. Yes, it's really me, it's Maui, breathe it in. I know it's a lot, the hair, the bod. When you're staring at a demigod, what can I say except you're welcome? For the tides, the sun, the sky. Hey, it's okay, you're welcome.